Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to unbox my 60 pieces Touch 5 markers that I bought online. So without further ado, let's begin. So this is how it looks like, guys. And I'm always amazed every time I see a bunch of color markers like this. This markers has two tips, which is fine tip and the other one is broad tip. Now let's try to compare it to my older marker. The black one is a bit harder to open compared to Touch 5 markers. Now that we saw the difference between the two markers, what I'm going to do now is to segregate it by color so that we can easily find the markers that we want to use if it's organized. So now guys, I'm going to create a color chart so that I know what the marker looks like when we apply it to the paper. And don't forget to write the marker's number. Now that we are done with the chart, let's choose some colors and try to my drawing. So we are done, guys. So this is the result, guys, and it turns out pretty nice. Not bad with the 60 pieces markers. In my own advice, if you have more money to buy markers, then much better to go with the 80 pieces and above, so that you will be having more shades of colors like this one. But if you are on a budget, there's no problem to buy 60 pieces markers. It's also nice. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye! See you next time! Thank you.